Haxson AirFan. Improving the quality of sleep, creating a comfortable climate in the room, displaying the time, illuminating the room, and playing music are just some of the tasks that could be performed by this amazing device. The developers explained that you have to place it in the room where you spend the most time. It can be hung on the wall or placed on the floor on a special long stand. It works as a fan that simultaneously removes dust allergy, germs and foreign odors with the help of a built-in UV lamp. The bladeless design is a bonus as there is no need to worry about the safety of children and pets. The airflow temperature is adjustable. The price starts at $200. Honda AWV. The main purpose of this vehicle is to help transport various construction materials. However, Honda specialists believe that the real potential of this vehicle is much greater. The vehicle moves around the site fully autonomously. The versatile platform on which it is built allows the vehicle to operate off-road as well. At present, the vehicle is still in the testing phase, but it is already capable of carrying up to 880 pounds of payload and traveling up to 28 miles on a single charge. This vehicle will significantly increase the profitability of the projects by reducing the cost of transporting construction materials. Robotics Ascend. The knees are one of the most vulnerable parts of the human body. The Ascend Robotics orthosis from the US-based Robotics is designed to significantly reduce the load on them. The system consists of a device that attaches directly to the knees, as well as a special backpack. When the user walks, the air inside the bag located at the knee is alternately pumped in and out of the bag. This process is controlled by a special electronic unit. The compressed air required, as well as the battery responsible for the energy supply, are stored in the bag pack. All in all, this simple system helps to make the process of flexing and extension of the knee much easier, which is in the long run helps to avoid or reduce the intensity of the chronic pain. This invention will be especially useful for people suffering from knee joint problems. Depending on the intensity of the gait, the orthosis process can work from 4 to 12 hours. SNAG. The name of this device stands for Stereotype Nature-Inspired Aerial Grasper. SNAG was developed by engineers at Stanford University. The design was inspired by the structure of the peregrine falcon's limbs. The legs move independently, the plastic elements serve as bones, the motors work as muscles, and special tension springs act as tendons. Its unique design allows the robot to land on any surface, just like a bird. In the future, this technology could be used to create entirely new drones and flying vehicles that can land anywhere. Sportsmate 5. A Chinese company, Enhance Robotics, has decided to help people achieve their fitness goals. They have created an exoskeleton that works in several modes. It can support the body by removing unnecessary tensions, or vice versa, allowing you to take your training to the next level. The first mode is useful, for example, when hiking over uneven terrain. In this case, the exoskeleton will provide active support and may even help prevent injury. The second mode is ideal for a wide range of exercise from Pilates to outdoor activities. Pricing starts at $900. Watergen GENNY. Water dispensers with bulky, heavy bottles will disappear soon, replaced with innovations such as Watergen GENNY from the Israeli company Watergen. It's a small device that uses natural humidity to take water from the air. It can produce up to 8 gallons of water every day. The water is then stored in a container. GENNY can serve hot or cold water, just like any other water dispenser. The device is priced at $2,500, but you will quickly get your money back by saving on water. What's in Pack 3.0? First thing to point out is the versatile and minimalist design of this backpack. It will be equally suitable for the office as it is for travel and commuting around town. It's made of durable ballistic nylon that protects the contents from impacts. The opening mechanism is particularly interesting. The rigid LED slides down for easy access to the interior. When the lid is closed, it seals to prevent rain or dust from getting inside. A side pocket is conveniently located for easy access when you wear the backpack on your back. It's also equipped with a bottle holder with the special padding. The inside is divided into a large number of compartments and pockets to help you carry your belongings in an organized way. It's priced at $450. ZEVA. In the near future, flying sources will no longer surprise anyone, as people will be able to build them too. Just a few months ago, a started Shiva Aero unveiled a scaled-down prototype of its flying vehicles that will function as a high-speed cab. Thanks to its quadcopter-like design, Shiva will be able to show and land vertically in flat areas and parking lots. The vehicle will accelerate up to 160 miles per hour and will be able to fly up to 50 miles on a single charge. Please subscribe our channel and push that bell icon for latest inventions in the different fields of science and technology. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming amazing content. Be safe.